Now load are defined. Go for solve current loading system. Okay, we have not applied the timing criteria. For that you have to go for load step option, time frequency, time solution. Time at the end of load step should be 20 seconds. Time step size 1 second you can take. Automatic time stepped timing and time stop should be on. Applied. Now again try to solve the condition. Solve current loading condition. Okay. Now solution is going to be adopted. And as you get the solution is done reference, and your solution is going to be completed. Solution is done. Close it. Close this data. Go for general post processing. In that go for plot result. In that go for contour plot. Go for nodal solution and try to search for the Z component thermal flux. So you'll be having this kind of thermal flux after completion of the solution parameter. Now let us plot. Go for plot control element. Go for deformed results. Flux control in Z. Okay. So we may have such kind of condition when it travels. We may have different solution also. As we change the data formats, we are getting the different kinds of results. I can go for plot control assignment, not deformed shape. I have to go for the deformed results. Try to search for the temperature at top. It will show you different kinds of results. The duals are executed in different way. So this is the whole procedure we can follow.